ready to hit the electrifying pitch of Rocket League without missing a beat on Steam. Let's get you set up to score those epic goals. First things first, if you don't have a Steam account, you'll need to create one. Head over to the Steam website, or download the Steam client, and follow the simple prompts to sign up with your email address and choose a username and password. Once your account is ready, open the Steam client in the search bar at the top, type Rocket League and hit enter. You'll find the official Rocket League store page. Click on it to view the game. Here, you'll see that Rocket League is free to play. Simply click the play game or download button. After initiating the download, you'll be directed to the Steam Download Manager. This is where you can monitor the progress of Rocket League as its files are downloaded to your computer. Ensure you have a stable internet connection for a smooth download. Once the download is complete, the install button will change to play. Click it to launch Rocket League. For optimal performance, you might want to explore the in-game settings under options to adjust graphics, controls, and camera angles to your preference. And that's it. You've successfully installed Rocket League on Steam and are ready to join millions of players worldwide for some high-octane vehicular soccer action. Happy gaming!